Thank you so much.
I just kind of
Have a good one.
We got a double stack jack.
Yeah. I thought it was leather at first, but I was like, what? I was like,
For
what?
today's total on Dash for Cash. Well, Blackie, and tell me how much you got.
All right, the rain didn't get us, but we did hit our goal today. We got $117.15 today rolling, so not too bad. Yep. So in 5 hours, our first dash was $45. Our second dash was $72.15. So not a bad day for thinking it was going to rain on us, but we're satisfied with what we got, and we're going to go ahead and call it a day because the rain's probably not going to hold off too much longer. But you know, it's been good to us so far.
So,
And she wants to go home and watch her ransom cowboy stuff.